Hey guys, it's Robert, the old ageless wonder, getting ready to get the boat ready to take up to Fort Worth, where I'm going to be doing a talk for the Fort Worth Boat Club. And I hope some of y'all guys can make it, but it's supposed to be raining on the way home. I think we're going to have really good weather for the event, but I needed to make sure that my dash instruments were not going to get water on them. So what I'm doing is I am putting marine cup holders in here, and they have provisions for a tube to drain them, and you'll see progressively this one is shorter, longer, and even more longer. So when they're turned upside down, it'll make the water drain from this cup across and finally down to below my dash, and then we'll take it through the floorboard and get it into the bilge. Just some little extra steps that you take to keep all your instruments dry. I'm also gonna drill a hole right here, and I'll put a little place for it to flow through where I can hook a hose, and same right here, and that'll allow me to catch any water in this area and let it flow down to the bilge without getting on my instruments. So that's what I'm up to today, guys. Take care.